Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Chaos Zero Nightmare Error Code 130000. The error reads, "Emulator has been detected, app will close." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game, and it crashes immediately on the emulator. According to our research, the error is happening because the game detects the emulator and blocks the launch, or there is any bug. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once your device restarts, try launching the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then make sure you are using LD Player because currently, this is the only emulator that seems to work. Also ensure that LD Player is updated to its latest version. Please note that we don't know if the game officially allows emulator use, so play on an emulator at your own risk. If the error still persists, then you can play the game using the official PC client. Simply download the Stove client, then download the game from there and launch it. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.